Hello students, welcome back to online sessions of Giri tutorial. See, we have already started with the second topic, that is sources of corporate finance, and we have already done with the equity shares, and today we are going to start with preference share. As the name indicates, these share have certain preferential right distinct from those attached to equity share. See, as the names indicate, as the name suggests, इसके नाम से ही we get to know that it has certain preferential right which is very different from the equity share, from those attached to equity share. The shares which carry following preferential right are termed as preference share. A preferential right as to payment of dividend during the lifetime of company. See, whenever the company plan to pay dividend, this preference shareholder, they have preferential right over equity shareholder, and the right will remain during the lifetime of the company. Equity shareholders को किसी भी तरह का डिविडेंड मिलने से पहले it is going to be given the preference shareholder, they have right to get it over equity shareholder. So a preferential right as to payment of dividend during the lifetime of the company. Now next is a preferential right as to the return of capital in the event of winding up of the company. The holder of preference share have a prior right to receive fixed rate of dividend before any dividend is paid to equity share. The rate of dividend is prescribed at the time of issue. See, a preferential right as to the return of capital in the event of winding up of the company. अभी जो preference shareholder है, they have preferential right over equity share at the time of getting dividend, and also at the time of winding up, they'll get their capital before the equity shareholders. The rate of dividend is prescribed at the time of issue. See, equity shareholder, they do not get fixed rate of dividend. Their rate of dividend is fluctuating, but the equity shareholder, they get fixed rate of dividend which is prescribed, which is decided at the time of issue. Normally, preference share do not carry any voting power. They have voting only on matter which affect their interest, such as selling of undertaking or changing right of preference share, etc. Or they can get voting right if dividend remain unpaid. जो preference shareholders है, they do not carry any voting power. They do not have voting right unless and until in their own subject matter. They can only vote in the matters which is related to their interest. Next is the preference shares are shareholder are co-owner of the company but not controller. These shares are purchased by cautious investors who are interested in safety of investment and who want steady return on investment. See, the preference shareholders are the co-owner of the company but not controller. See, they are also co-owner of the company but they are not controller because they do not have any voting right. They do not have normal voting right. They can only vote into the interested matters. तो ये लोग भी कंपनी के को ओनर्स हैं बट कंट्रोलर नहीं है. एंड सी इन दिस टाइप ऑफ शेयर, दिस शेयर्स आर परचेज्ड बाय कॉशियस इन्वेस्टर who are interested in safety of investment and who want steady return on investment. The people who are very cautious about their money, who are cautious investor, who are interested in safety of their investment, they on those kind of people, those people invest in preference share and who also want steady return on investment. People who are expecting steady return on investment, those people invest in preference shares. Now, feature of preference share, first one is preference for dividend. See, ये point we have already discussed. They have preference right. They have first charge on the distribution amount of annual net profit. The dividend is payable to preference shareholder before it is paid to equity shareholder. Equity shareholders को पे होने से पहले ये preference shareholders को पे होता है. They have preferential right over equity shareholders. Next is preference for repayment of capital. See, preference shareholder have a preferential right over equity shareholder in respect of return of capital when the company is winding up, when the company is liquidated. It saves preference shareholder from capital loss. Preference shareholder जो रहते हैं, they have preferential right. They have preference over equity shares in respect of return of capital. जब पैसा उनको कंपनी बंद होने वाली होती है, तो in that case also they have preferential right over equity share. तो it saves preference shareholder from capital loss. वो equity shareholder से पहले वो लोग का claim होता है and उनको पहले equity shareholder से पहले उनको repayment of capital भी होता है. Next is fixed return. These shares carry dividend at fixed rate. The rate of dividend is predetermined at the time of issue. It may be in form of fixed sum or may be calculated at fixed return. तो जो rate of dividend मिलता है that is fixed rate of dividend and it is predetermined at the time of issue. Issue करते वक्त जो rate of dividend decide होता है that they get. The preference shareholders are entitled to dividend which can be paid only out of profit. If the directors in financial crisis decide not to pay dividend, preference shareholders have no claim for dividend. Preference shareholders are entitled to get dividend out of profit, and in case if the company is not in the situation to pay dividend, the preference shareholder have no claim for dividend. Nature of capital: preference shares do not provide permanent share capital. They are redeemed after a certain period of time. A company cannot issue irredeemable preference share. Preference capital is generally raised at the larger stage when the company gets established. These shares are issued to satisfy the need of additional capital of the company. Preference share capital is a safe capital as the rate of dividend and market value does not fluctuate. See, nature of capital: preference share do not provide permanent capital. See, preference share do not provide permanent capital. It is not permanent in nature. It has to be redeemed. It has to be repaid after a certain period of time, and a company is not allowed to issue irredeemable preference share. They are not allowed. They cannot issue irredeemable preference share. It is generally raised at the later stage when the company gets established. These shares are issued to satisfy the need of additional capital of the company. See, whenever company is in need of additional capital, then in that case this kind of shares can be issued, and it is generally raised. This type of capital is raised at the later stage when the company gets established. Next is market value. The market value of preference share do not change at the rate of dividend payable to them is fixed. The capital appreciation is considered to be below as compared with equity share. See, market value here, the market value of preference shares do not fluctuate, and the obvious reason is that the preference shareholder, they get fixed rate of dividend. That is why the market value does not get fluctuate. See, if the company is really doing well, the company is really earning good profit, but the equity shareholder, they are going to get the fixed rate of dividend, right? So because of this reason, their market value does not fluctuate, and the capital appreciation is also considered to below as compared to equity shares. The voting right: the preference share do not have normal voting right. They do not enjoy right of control on the affair of company. They have voting right on any resolution of the company directly affecting their right. For example, change in terms of repayment of capital, dividend payable to them are in error for last 2 consecutive years. See, they do not enjoy normal voting right. As like equity shareholder, they do not have normal voting right. They can vote only into the concerned matter, only into the matters which are going to affect their interest. So they have only they have limited voting right, that too in the matters which is directly related to them. Next is risk. The investor who are cautious generally purchase preference share. See, the safety of capital and steady return on investment are advantages attached with the preference share. These shares are boon for shareholder during depression period when interest rate is continuously falling. See, the investor are very cautious. The people who are very concerned about the safety of capital and steady return on investment are likely the one who invest in preference shares. These shares are boon. See, these shares are really helpful for shareholder at the time of depression when the interest rate is continuously falling. Interest rate fall ho raha hai, but they are going to get their fixed rate of interest, fixed rate of dividend, because this preference shares they carry fixed rate of dividend. Now next is face value. Face value of preference share is relatively higher than equity share. They are normally issued at face value of rupees 100. Right of bonus share: preference shareholder are not entitled. They do not get right issue or bonus issue. They are not entitled for rights or bonus issue. Next is nature of investor. Preference share attract more moderate type of investor who are conservative, cautious, interested in safety of capital, and who want steady return on investment generally purchase preference share. See, as we have already discussed above, here are the people who are very cautious, towards the safety of their capital, and who are interested in getting steady return are the people who invest in preference share. Now next is types of preference share. First one is cumulative preference share. Cumulative preference share are those shares on which dividend goes on accumulating until it is fully paid. This means if the dividend is not paid in one or more year due to inadequate profit, then this unpaid dividend get accumulated. See here, cumulative preference shares, it is a type of share, it is a type of preference share where the dividend, if it is not paid in a particular year, it will get accumulated. It is not going to get lost. It is going to get accumulated. See, if the company is company is not in the position to pay dividend from last 3 years, then their dividend is not going to get lost. It will get accumulated, and when the company will get into the situation of paying dividend, then they will get dividend for all the 3 years plus the current year. That means अगर कंपनी ने अगर ये टाइप ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर ऐसा होता है कि अगर कंपनी एक साल आपको डिविडेंड नहीं पे कर पाई, कंपनी का सिचुएशन इज नॉट गुड, दे हैव नॉट पेड यू डिविडेंड फॉर 1 ईयर, एंड कंपनी का नेक्स्ट ईयर भी ऐसा ही है, कंपनी किसी को डिविडेंड नहीं पे कर पाई बिकॉज उसको प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा है, उसके बाद का साल भी ऐसा ही है, बट द मोमेंट कंपनी विल हैव गुड रिटर्न and the company will get in the situation of paying dividend, then the company will pay you along with the arrear. पूरा 3 साल का arrear plus current year वो आपको पूरा complete पे होगा. Is it clear? मतलब यहाँ पे जो dividend है it never get lost, it get accumulated. वो accumulate होता है, जमा होता है, and जब भी कंपनी dividend पे करती है आपको arrear के साथ पे करती है. Next is non-cumulative preference share. See, it is very simple. It is opposite to the cumulative preference share. Here, once the dividend is lost, it is lost forever. एक बार dividend आपका lost हो गया तो वो lost forever रहेगा. Company is not going to pay for that. See, dividend on this share do not get accumulated. यहाँ पे जो dividend है वो जमा नहीं होता है. This means if company does not make profit in the particular year and dividend is not paid in any year, it is lost forever. कंपनी अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं कर रही है, डिविडेंड नहीं पे किया कंपनी ने उस साल का, तो जो डिविडेंड है वो हमेशा के लिए लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग प्रेफरेंस शेयर. द शेयर होल्डर ऑफ दिस शेयर आर एंटाइटल्ड टू participate in surplus profit beside preferential dividend. See, participating, if the article of association permit this type of shareholder, they will get an opportunity, they will get an right, they are entitled to participate in surplus profit beside preferential dividend. Dividend के साथ साथ कंपनी में अगर surplus profit होता है, bumper profit होता है, तो they are entitled to participate in that along with equity shareholders. Next is non-participating preference share. It is completely contrast to participating preference share. The preference share are deemed to be non-participating if there is no clear provision in the article of association. These shareholders are entitled to fixed rate of dividend prescribed at the time of issue. This is very simple. If there is no mention in the articles of association about this matter, then the shares are deemed, it is understood that it is non-participating. अगर shares participating होगा तो there will be a special mention in the article of association, and in absence of that, the preference shares are deemed to be non-participating. If there is no clear provision in the article of association, these shareholders are entitled to get fixed rate of dividend prescribed at the time of issue. They will not be entitled to participate in the extra surplus profit. They will be only entitled to get fixed rate of dividend. Next is convertible preference share. As the name suggests, this type of shares can be converted into equity share. The conversion take place within a certain fixed period. As the name suggests, convertible preference share, the holder of these shares have right to convert. जो shareholders है, preference shareholders है, they have right to convert their shares into equity share. वो लोग अपने आफ्टर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड, एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड के बाद वो लोग का जो शेयर्स है उसको दे कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू इक्विटी शेयर्स. नेक्स्ट इज नॉन कन्वर्टेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर. This share cannot be converted into equity share. As the name suggests, these shares cannot be converted into equity share. ये शेयर जो है वो इक्विटी शेयर्स में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकते. नेक्स्ट है redeemable preference share. Shares which can be redeemed after certain fixed period of time are called redeemable preference share. A company limited by shares, if authorized by article of association, issues redeemable preference share. Such share must be fully paid up. These shares are redeemed out of divisible profit only or out of fresh issue of share made for this purpose. Redeemable means repayable. These shares are to be redeemed. They can be redeemed after a certain fixed period of time, are called redeemable preference share. After a certain period of time, these shares are to be redeemed. Redeem means repayable. A company limited by shares, if authorized by article of association, issue redeemable preference share. ये जो शेयर्स है इसका ये फुली पेड अप शेयर्स होने चाहिए एंड द शेयर्स आर रिडीम्ड. अभी ये शेयर्स को रिडीम करने के लिए जो अमाउंट चाहिए, इट कैन बी रिडीम्ड आउट ऑफ डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट ओनली और आउट ऑफ फ्रेश इश्यू ऑफ शेयर मेड फॉर दिस पर्पस. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इररिडीमेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर. ये हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है. शेयर्स विच आर नॉट रिडीमेबल, जो शेयर्स कंपनी के लाइफ टाइम में रिडीम नहीं हो सकता है, are known as irredeemable preference share. Payable only on winding up of the company are called irredeemable preference share. जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया है, ये जो शेयर ऐसे टाइप के जो शेयर्स है वो कंपनी के लाइफ टाइम में कभी भी रिडीम नहीं हो सकते हैं. इट कैन बी रिडीम्ड ओनली एट द टाइम ऑफ वाइंडिंग अप. एज पर सेक्शन 55(1) of the Companies Act 2030, a company cannot issue irredeemable preference share. As per Companies Act, as per section 55(1) of Companies Act 2013, a company cannot issue irredeemable preference share. कोई भी कंपनी irredeemable preference share इशू नहीं कर सकती है. That means सिर्फ कंपनीज जो है वो redeemable preference share इशू करती है जो after a specific period of time can be redeemed. Types of preference share. First one is cumulative. Dividend get accumulated. If the shareholder does not get dividend for a particular year, his dividend will get accumulate. उसका dividend जमा होगा and कंपनी जो profit करेगी तो एरियर्स के साथ मिलके उसका डिविडेंड उसे मिलेगा. नॉन क्यूमुलेटिव, यहाँ पे डिविडेंड एक्यूमुलेट नहीं होता है, जमा नहीं होता है. वंस इट इज लॉस्ट फॉर एवर. पार्टिसिपेटिंग प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. हियर द शेयर होल्डर्स दे हैव right, they are entitled to participate in surplus profit. Non-participating, if there is no special mention in articles, it is deemed that shares are non-participating. They are entitled only for fixed rate of dividend. Next is convertible preference share. These shares are converted. These shares, the holder of this kind of shares, they get a chance. They have right that they can convert their shares into equity share. Next is non-convertible. Here shares cannot be converted into equity share. Next is redeemable. Shares are to be redeemed after a certain fixed period of time. And irredeemable, these shares are not redeemable during the lifetime of the company. It can be redeemed only at the time of winding up. And as per section 55(1) of the Companies Act 2013, a company cannot issue irredeemable preference share. Okay, with this I would like to end my session. Thank you so very much.